Hello everyone. I have to explain missing a point. Now, chef has an axis parallel rectangle in 2D Cartesian coordinate system. So these rectangle may intersect, but it is not guaranteed that all their 4n vertices are pairwise distinct. So I have to give in a 2D map, 2D coordinator system and n rectangle. So n rectangle, the total number of a side, one rectangle is 4, n rectangle that is 4n. And 4n are pairwise distinct. Unfortunately, chef losses one vertex. So total vertex is 4n. And I have to lose one vertex, but the vertex comes 4n minus 1, which is have to given, and I have to find the one vertex which is lost. So in this question, I have to given the number of a test case, that is 1, and each test case is so the n total n rectangle, that is 2. 2 rectangle, that is 4 into 2 minus 1, 7 pair x and y. This is a 7 pair x and y. One missing a x and y. I have to find missing x and y pair. So I have to proceed again. I have to clue the one best thing. If I have to use one rectangle, if uh, if I have to use one rectangle, so see my screen. If I have to use one rectangle, so in this rectangle they have side is x1 and y1, and this side is x2 or y1, correct? And this side is y2, uh, y2 and x1 and y2, and this is a x2 and y2. So you have to see in 4 vertex they have 2x and 2y only, that is 2x are equal and 2y are equal always. So if I have to give in a 4n, so all the r pair are even. If this x1 equal to this x1, 2x equal, and this x equal this x, yani total 2x and total 2y, one vector. In 4n also this is a even. So if I have to make a map, I have to make a map for x and map for y, and the occurrence of each x value and occurrence of each occurrence value of y, map a, map x and map y, then I have to easily find the which vertex has a odd, and so this key value is the x and y coordinate. How I have to explain with this test cases. So I have to use this test case. Okay, so I have to x is the left hand side 0 index and y is the 1 index. So I have to make a map x. So map x is 1 2 times, 2 1 times, 4 2 times, 9 2 times, correct? And make a map by 1 2 times, which is correct, and 2 1 times, 6 2 times, and 3 2 times. So in this map all the values are even. This even, this even, this even, this even, this even, or this even. But only these two values are odd, and this two value respect is 2 and 2. So the missing pair is 2 and comma 2, and the answer also is 2 comma 2. This is a clue of this question. and I have to also see 1 comma 1, that is this is 1 comma 1, this is 1 comma 1, आगे 1 comma 2, that is 1 comma 2, यानी that is this is t, 4 comma 6 not in this, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1, so I have to use 2 comma 1, and this vertex I don't know, I have to make another which is also, this is a key, so you have to see this vertex already what, this 2 and this 2 missing pair, and I have to return 2 comma 2. So this is a clue, I have to make 2 map, and I have to also see my code which is more comfortable for you. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so this is code, I have to take a query, and this I have to also do this code, this code, so it is easy. So see, I have to use scanner class for input. Now I have to given a test cases number, so I have to use sc.next int, and I have also loop for test cases, and this test cases, so I have to use n, which is so the number of a rectangle, and this number of a rectangle is how, so n equal to 4 times n equal to 4 into n minus 1, correct, and I have to see also 10 to the power 5, and array element is 10 to the power 9, if 10 to the power 9, okay, so I have to make a take a n vertices which is stored in the map. So firstly declare a hash map integer comma integer map x equal to new hash map, and second hash map for y, and after this y I have to for loop and int I equal to 0 say take while and n minus minus equal to 0, okay, and I have to copy these things which is more easier to me, okay, and but they have a two parameter x sc dot next int int y equal to sc dot next int, and I have to store map x dot put x comma map x dot get or default function x comma 0 plus 1, and same this use for y, so this is a y, and this is for y. After this complete map I have to find the exact which is answer, so I have to traverse my array integer key equal to map x and check if map x dot get anything key modulus 2 equal to 0. Then what to do? System dot out dot println that is map x dot sorry. So I have directly print key, correct? And I have to use the break. No need to traverse all the map. First and same cheese do with my y. So this is key for y. This is extra symbol. Map y map y map y get key and key modulus 2 not equal to 0. Correct? After this completion, I have to system dot out dot println, which is need for this question. I come back and so now I have to add map x dot key set and then key set, then it is run. So this is a correct outcome. And this SOA maybe a scanner class is not best, so I have to also use try and catch, which is more comfortable. Try catch like a buffer reader and input reader is in. Thank you and have a nice day.